Good day, my viewers. Welcome back to my tutor, which is Mobax. Today, they are giving us a question under double integral. But before I move on, subscribe to this page, share the video, and like and comment. So let us move to the question given to us. Solution to the question given to us. Evaluate I integral if I equal to integral minus 2 to 1, also integral x squared plus 4x to 3x plus 2 dy dx. Now, if I equal to what? Integral minus 2 to 1, so integral x squared plus 4x to 3x plus 2 dy dx. In this kind of problem, you have to determine the first step to apply in any double integration. We have to determine this. So this will determine how we integrate by what? How we integrate this double integral. So in this way, we firstly see what? Dy. You firstly see what? Dy. That means we have to integrate the variable of what? Dy here. Even there is no any variable of dy, and also there is no any variable of x. But don't forget, the coefficient of dy here is what? 1. That means we have to integrate the value of what? 1 by integrating constant. Then, if we want to integrate, which integral we take a look? The nearest integral to what? To dy. The nearest integral to dy is what? L squared, integral L squared plus 4 to what? 3x plus 2, which is what? This is the nearest integral to what? Dy. Now we have to integrate this. Only. So integral minus 2 to 1, open bracket, integral L squared plus 4x to what? 3x plus 2, 1 multiplied by dy, close bracket, the x. We have to integrate this. If we want to integrate constants from the integration table, it will be giving us what? That variable, which is what? X. This is what? Y. Sorry. We are now integral minus 2 to 1, open bracket, integral L squared plus 4x to what? 3x plus 2. Integrate 1. If we integrate 1, it will be giving us what? Y, close bracket, the x. Since we have integrated, we can now substitute the upper limit to the low and the lower limit to the what? Variable of y. Integral minus 2 to 1, open bracket, y, close bracket, x squared plus 4x to 3x plus 2 dx. So let us start from the upper limit first. This is your 3x plus 2. Integral minus 2 to 1, open bracket, and do it, open bracket, 3x squared plus 2, close bracket. You have substituted the upper one. The lower one is what? Minus, open bracket, the lower one is what? X squared plus 4x, close bracket, the x. Let us use this minus to open the bracket. By opening the bracket again, integral, that is too much, minus 2 to 1, open bracket, 3x plus 2, minus times plus is what? Plus, minus times plus will be given us minus x squared, minus times plus will be given us minus 4x, close bracket, the x. So we have integrated the what? you cannot see that what you have integrated to what, to one single integral. So the next step, you should also integrate it, since you have integrated into what, into one single integral. The next step, you have to still integrate this. By integrating this, integral minus 2 to 1, 3x minus 4x will be giving us what, minus x, because 3 plus 3x minus 4x will be giving us a minus x plus 2 minus x squared dx. So we have to integrate it using this general formula, x raised by n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. Now integral minus 2 to 1 minus x is what? If you integrate x, it will be giving us what? 1. The power of x here is what? 1. Which is what? 1 plus 1 is 2 divided by 1 plus 1 is what? 2. Plus, if you integrate constant, it will be giving us what? 2x minus, if you integrate this, the power is what? 2 plus 1 is what? 3 divided by 2 plus 1 is what? 3. Since we have integrated, let us substitute the bond to e, which is what? Our lower limit and upper limit. So let us start from the first. Let us start from the first one. Open bracket minus x squared divided by 2 plus 2x minus x cubed divided by 3, all in bracket, minus 2 to 1. You can now substitute the bond to it. Now, open bracket minus another bracket open. What is our upper limit? Our upper limit is 1. 1 squared minus, our lower limit is what? Minus 2. Open bracket minus 2, close bracket, square, close bracket, divided by what? Divided by 2 plus 2x. So what is our upper limit? Our upper limit is 1 minus, what is our lower limit? Minus 2. Open bracket minus 2, close bracket, close bracket, minus x squared. What is our upper limit? Is 1, open bracket, another open bracket, minus 1 raised to power 3, minus, what is our lower limit? Our lower limit is minus 2, open bracket, minus 2, close bracket, raised to power 3, close bracket, all divided by what? Divided by 3, all in brackets. Now, open bracket minus, open bracket, minus 2, 1 raised to power 2 is what? 1, minus 2 raised to power 2 will be giving us what? 4, close bracket, divided by 2, plus 2, minus times minus will be giving us what? Plus 1 plus 2 will be giving us what? 3, all in bracket 3, minus, open bracket, 1 raised to power 3 is what? Is 1, minus 2 raised to power 3 will be giving us what? Minus 8, all in bracket, close bracket, divided by 3, all in bracket. Now let us use this negative to open this bracket. Open bracket, minus times plus will be giving us a minus. Minus times minus will be giving us a plus 4 divided by 2, plus 2 times 3 is 6, minus, open bracket, minus times minus is what? Minus times minus is what? 1, minus times minus is plus 8 divided by 3, close bracket, all in bracket. Let me clean this place. Now, minus 1 plus 2 and minus 1 plus 4 will be giving us what? 3 divided by 2 plus 6 minus, use this minus to open the bracket. Yes, use this minus to open the bracket. Minus times minus is what? Plus 1 minus times yes, sorry, let me do it in this way. Minus 1 plus 8 is what? 9. 9 divided by 3, all in bracket, of what? All in bracket, open bracket, 3 divided by 2 plus 6 minus 9 divided by 3 will be giving us what? 3, close bracket. So now let us remove the bracket since we cannot do anything. 3 divided by 2 plus 6, 6 minus 3 will be giving us what? 3, all equal to what? So we can, let us find the LCM here. 3 plus 3 divided by 2 plus 3. So by finding the LCM, our LCM is what? 2. This is what? 3. How many 2 can we see in 2? 1. 1 times 3 is what? 3 plus this one have the what? The denominator of 1. So how many 1 can we see in 2? Is 2. 2 times 3 will be giving us what? 6. So now 2 plus 3 will be giving us what? 9 divided by 2. This is our final answer for the what? For integral. Also, I equal to what? 9 divided by 2. Which is our what? Our final answer for the question. Don't forget to subscribe